Hello, today DIY time with Tommy Walsh. Poundland. What do you expect for a pound? Is it any good? Let's open it up and have a go. Try and do it on camera. And there we go, cast iron padlock. Autographed, Tommy Walsh. Could be worth something with that autograph on, but I doubt it. Let's clamp it up, see what we can do. It's a nice finish, nice like anthracite type finish on it. I quite like that. I'm assuming it works. It's brand new. We'll try get the keyway a bit better for you. Try a pry bar in it. Yeah, that might work. And we'll go in with a... Where's me blooming picks gone? We'll try a hook. See what we can find. Come on. Right funny angle again. I'll have to get a better camera. Oh, come on, Rich. Pressure's on. Pressure's on. You can't be defeated by a Tommy Walsh padlock. Oh, can you? There you go. Out of the packet. Tommy Walsh. That didn't take too long. Nice looking thing, but not unpickable. There's a bit of advice on the back of the packet for you. I don't know if you can read that. It says, I dip my cast iron padlock in some engine oil to help prevent it rusting and seizing up on the back gate. So, paraphrasing Mr. Walsh, nice little tip for you. Use plenty of lubrication if it's going in the back passage. Cheers.